What is up, YouTube? Before we drop this video, I made a big mistake on our social media. When we did the Cyber Monday sales, I didn't even give the code out. So we're actually extending it out here till this next week coming up, which will be next Monday, Tuesday. So if you go to our website, you can get all the stuff at fbombbaggers.com, and you're going to drop FBOMB15. That's FBOMB15, FBOMB 15 for 15% off all our parts that we have on our website. Just because, like I said, I posted the stuff up on our social media, besides YouTube, everywhere else, and forgot to put the code. I just realized it. So don't forget, go there. So enjoy the video. All right, peace. What's up, fellas? We are back with another quick video here before it gets too dark. We got Arthur is actually a street racer from back in the day, a fellow street racer from the north side. We were the south side, he was the north side. But either way, he's a Harley guy. Still is a street racer, but I should say a track racer. But he just got his 21 CVO, so he dropped it off. And we did full air ride, dirty air, center stand, and threw our system in there, our stage 1. This actually had the Rockford-Fosgate system in it. I keep looking at the screen. I should turn it off. This had the Rockford-Fosgate system in it, but I mean, no offense, Rockford. I guess it's okay for CVO. It's definitely better than the Boom 2 system. That was garbage. So, but either way, you're going to see the cruising video, Macho riding it, obviously, and then the sounds. We'll throw that on right now here in the parking lot. But I'll just give you the quick walk around on it. It's actually a pretty cool two-tone black with I forget the name of this brown, but it's like a dark bronze. But the exhaust, everything, floorboards are all done up, so it's actually pretty nice. So let me flip it around here. So you can see she's aired out, and like I was saying, it's got the that exhaust has been there for a minute. They've had that on the older CVOs, but if you look, the cam cover, the push rod tubes are done, the lower rockers are done, lower forks, and then floorboards, foot pedals, hand controls, everything. So Harley actually did it right on this part. It's actually pretty dope. So, but we did our little 8-inch system. Got the front still everything factory. See the horns just hidden in there. And then aired it out, like I said, and you can see it actually looks pretty dope. Especially with the factory chin spoiler on it. Can't argue with that. That fills that nice gap in there. And this actually's got that trick wheel. So it's a spoke wheel with a cast lip. So you don't have to run those inner tubes now, so you won't have to worry about getting flat. So it's actually pretty trick. The only thing I don't really like is the inner hub. It's a little different, but I guess that's what they got to run. So either way, we're going to throw the video on real quick, and you can hear the music, and then you probably already heard Macho riding. So you probably already saw Macho riding. Cleans it up.
It looks so much better. Like the fender doesn't hit?
No. Oh.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
More, what the fuck? You got the radio now too? I'm like, yeah, because that's something to do. Like, man, that's fucking loud. You can't really do it no justice on a fucking phone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's you're never gonna hear it.
That video, you walk away, it gets louder.
Yeah, well, that's the problem is when you do it off your iPhone, usually it'll distort, so you have to be far away. And if you took it on Bluetooth, you actually hear the bass, but
Man, it looks so much better now.
so you're all stock, so it's really not a big wheel bike. It's not gonna matter, you know what I mean?
That's the shit.
So.
That's awesome.
Don't forget, that was the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment. All right, peace. Now it gets all quiet.